What is the video about, Alania?
It's about numbers going to 10.
Numbers that add up to 10. The exercise that we'll do next is numbers that add up to 10. So there are 5 pairs that make up 10. And don't worry about the people popping up in the background, because this video is being made primarily for them to do mental exercises with numbers. And but if this also helps other people, then that's a great thing. So 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5. Now the thing is, the point of the exercise is for you to get so used to the pairings that as soon as you say 1, then you automatically know 9 makes up 10. As soon as you say 3, you know automatically 7 makes up 10. 4, you know the missing number is 6. And you might ask me why is this important at all? What it does is cut down your time with adding numbers, or even subtracting numbers, we'll do later. And once you can do this in a split second, then it makes slightly more complex problems just a little bit easier and faster to get to. Okay, so we start. So 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5. I will delete some of these, and then I'll ask you for the answers, and make sure you beat me to the answer. So before I reveal what the answer is, I want you to say the number out loud. Okay? So 5, what goes with 5? Right. Okay, we'll bring the screen back down. What goes with 4? What goes with 3? What goes with 2? What goes with 1? All right. We'll try the other side. So I'll delete these numbers here. Okay. What goes with 5? Oh, 9, sorry. What goes with 8? What goes with 7? What goes with 6? What goes with 5? Now I'm going to be a bit creative about which ones to delete. So we'll delete the 9, the 7, the 5, 8, and the 6. Okay. What goes with 4? What goes with 2? You've got to try and beat me to the answer. What goes with 5? What goes with 3? What goes with 1? Okay. We'll try it again. Right? Remember, you've got to beat me to the answer. Okay, what goes with 6? What goes with 8? What goes with 5? What goes with 7? What goes with 9? So keep repeating these exercises so it becomes very, very quick. Now, just to illustrate, so we've done the numbers that make up 10. And we have the pattern over this side, right? But I wanted to show you that using basically the same numbers with the change of just the first digit in front. So instead of 1 plus 9, you have 21 plus 9, and then it's equal to 30. So what I mean to illustrate is that 1 and 9, whether it's 1 and 9 or 11 and 9 or 21 and 9, those pairings take you up to the next 10. So in this case, we're looking at 30 being the next 10. The next 10s are, of course, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60. Right. So the next 10 that we're looking at in this case is 30. So 21 plus 9 is equal to 30, very much like the 1 plus 9. So that's why it's important to keep the 1 and the 9 paired in your head in terms of getting to the next 10. 2 and 8 if you paired it in your head. Then if someone says 28, then you know automatically 2, because you know the pairing is 2 and 8 make 10. So 28 and 2 takes you up to the next 10. If someone said 23 and you have the next 10 is 30, obviously you know the missing number is 7. If you have 26, you just need 4 to make the next 10, which is 30. If you have 25, all you need is the next 5 to take you up to 30. So what I want you to do is to call out the answers before I put them back on the screen. So I say 25, you tell me which number then takes you up to the next 10. In this case, it's 30 we want to get to. 25 plus what? That's right, it's 25 plus 5. 26, 4, that's right. 23, 7, that's right, because the pairing is 3 and 7. 28 plus, right. Try again, 28 plus, right. And the last one, 21 plus, yes, plus 9, because 1 and 9 is the basic pairing. So I mean to show you this so that you can appreciate that the pairings of 1 and 9 go beyond just 1 and 9 is equal to 10. If someone said to you 1,021,021 plus what equals 1,030,030, then you know the missing one is 9, because 1 and 9 if you're getting up to the next 10. How about we try another number instead of 30? We'll try for a bigger number. Okay, it's the next one. So now we're going to try another 10. This time it is 80, but exactly the same principle as we did in the previous exercise where we were using 30. So we have 71, of course, plus what is equal to 80? Plus 9, because the basic pairing, just like here, 1 and 9, here it's 1 and 9. The 70, yes, that's the previous 10, we're getting up to the next 10. So 71 plus 9 is equal to 80. Abijah, you're going to help out. What plus 78 is equal to 80?
2.
What plus 73?
7.
What plus 76?
4.
What plus 75?
5.
Okay. Now we're going to delete these, and I want you to do the exact same exercise at home, but you have to call it out before I actually bring it back up on the board. Okay? In Abijah, you only say the answer once I've actually put it up, to allow the people at home to call it out first. Okay? Plus 75?
5. And next one.
Okay,
4.
wait. Try again. 75?
5.
No, you only say it once I've brought up the number on the screen, please. 75?
5.
I haven't brought up the number. 5. When I bring it up, that's when you do it.
5.
You keep doing it. Look at this, Abijah. When I bring the number up, that's when you say it. 75?
5.
76?
4.
73?
7.
You got to be faster at home, faster than Abijah. 78?
2.
71?
9.
Okay, I hope you got that. Now we will try another exercise after this. Okay, so I have my helper here, who is my other twin. It is a Addends, and he's going to help me with this, getting up to the next 10. Similar exercise to what happened before. This is just to drive home the point of the pairings. 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5. So it doesn't matter what numbers come in front, like this 11 here representing 110, or this 11 here. That doesn't matter. The basic thing is the pairing at the end, for you to appreciate the pairing so you can find out the missing number. So you can see the numbers there now. What I'll do is I'll delete it, and you will have to call out the answer. Trust this sidekick Addends. Call out the answer after I put it up. Okay, Addends? After I put it up. So give the people at home time to find out the missing number. Okay. 111 plus what equals 120?
9.
Okay, wait for me to bring it up. 118 plus what makes 120?
2.
113 plus what makes 120?
7.
116 plus what makes 120? 115 plus what makes 120?
5.
That's right. 5 is the easiest one because it's always 5 and 5. Okay.
Plus 5 equals 10.
Okay. So now I will delete all on one side, and you've got to tell me what the missing number is. Okay? Okay. 2 and what?
2 and 118.
4 and what?
160.
115 and what?
5.
113 and what?
7.
111 and what?
9.
Okay. I hope you got that at home. If you weren't as quick, just rewind the video and
don't forget, hopefully this helps in your exams.
thank you for
watching.